Good morning to all of you. Welcome back to our English class. Today I am going to teach English 2 class 3rd standard. Chapter 8 Birbal and the Cooking Pot. You already learned listened so many stories of Akbar and Birbals. Again today I am teach you this one of the more interesting and enjoyable story of Birbal and the Cooking Pot. So in this story we will learn about the wiseness of a Birbal. So let us start. One day Akbar and Birbal both were walking the river near the river Jamuna in the month of December. It was very cold. Akbar said to Birbal, "This water is very cold and freeze water. No one can stood in this water for one whole night. Would he die?" But Birbal disagreed with this. He said, "But Majesty, an ordinary man could survive this cold." Then Akbar said, "You prove it, how it is possible." Then king announced a reward for that person, those who capable and accept this challenge to spend one whole night in this cold water. Then one of the poor washerman he accepted this challenge and said, "I am accepted this challenge and I can spend a whole night in this extreme cold water." Then it is night, the washerman is standing in the middle of the river. Some people says, "This poor man, he will die before the night is out." Another man said, "A foolish things to do. Well, let us pray for him." But the whole night he was standing in this extreme cold. Washerman proved it. He did it. He passed the test. But next morning when he went to the kingdom to take his reward, and King Akbar was ready to give his reward, one of the courtiers said, "Majesty, firstly ask him how he was spent his whole night in this extreme cold water." Then that poor man said, "Sir, one of your palace light give me warmth. I just concentrate myself on that light. That light provide me warmth and I was standing in this extreme cold water." Then Akbar said, "It means you are not deserving, you have not passed this test, because that light provide you warmth. It means you failed this test. You will not get this reward," and send him back. That poor man, he just feel very bad and come out. Then Birbal know about it. When Birbal heard it, this injustice with that person, he just want to play a trick to teach the Akbar, teach the king, and realize the king of his injustice with the poor man. Next day, Birbal didn't come to the court. One of the messenger came and said, "Your Majesty, he says he is cooking his food and it will take a long time to do so." Akbar angrily, "What a nonsense! How can food take so long to cook? I shall go and see for myself." Then Akbar go to his home to watch out what actually Birbal doing. Then Akbar said, "Birbal, what a foolish things to do. How can this fire warm your cooking pot? Your hang it is too high and your flame is very low. How this light will be reached for that pot?" Then Birbal said, "In the same way, Your Majesty, as the light of your palace had made the warmth in for that poor person in the river. Then Akbar laughed and he understood Birbal trying to teach him and realize his mistake. So with this trick, Birbal teach a lesson to the king and provide a justice for that poor washerman. He will next morning he came to kingdom and get that reward. So thanks and have a nice day. Hope you understood this.